Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Hyperx headset model and connection type, USB or 3. 5mm TRRS matters because the Ps5 handles them differently. Plug the headset into the DualSense controller's 3, 5mm jack or into a USB port if it's USB. Once connected, power on the Ps5 and sign into your account. Make sure the controller is paired. You want the console to recognize the device first, because that determines which audio menus you'll use next. You navigate to Settings, right arrow Sound, right arrow Microphone to select the Hyperx device. This tells the Ps5 which input to use. Once selected, test the input level and raise or lower it to avoid clipping or low pickup, and enable side tones so you can hear yourself. Then go to Output Device and pick Headphones, Controller, or USB headset depending on your connection. Make sure to set output to headphones, all audio when you want game and chat through the headset. You finalize setup by testing the mic in a party chat or voice recording. This confirms both input and network voice settings. If people can't hear you, first check the physical mute on the headset or controller, then inspect the cable and port for dirt or damage. Once done, restart the Ps5 and try a different USB port or a different controller to isolate hardware. If it still fails, reset the controller or test the headset on another device to determine if the mic itself is faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.